just met a girl named Maria, and suddenly that name will never be the same to me. Maria, I just kissed a girl named Maria, and suddenly I found how wonderful a sound can be. Maria, say it loud and there's music playing. Say it soft and it's almost like praying. Maria, I'll never stop saying Maria. Above us, go on and let it rain. I'm sure that love together will endure the hurricane. Favor, when you please let me love you again, you release from this awful misery. Oh, pretty baby, you make me feel so good. Let me take you by the hand. Come as the busy doctor a state of mind. I'm so crazy about love. I got my first real 6-string, buried at the 5 and on, playing until my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69. Me and some guys from school had a band in a dry real hard. Jimmy quit, Judy got married. Should've known we'd never get far. When I look back now, the summer seems to last forever. And if I had a choice, yeah, I'd always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life. Quando fanuto sole no queda necesario para estar contigo, amor. Tú eres una bendición. Las horas y la vida de tu lado, nena, están para vivirlas pero a tu manera. Enhorabuena, porque valió la pena, valió la pena. Maybe I will strong enough to think you love me too, 'cause you're kissing a fool. Say you must have been kissing a fool. But remember this, every other kiss that you ever give, long the sleep of sleep when you need the hand of another man, when you really can't surrender it. I will wait for you like I always do. Something that I can compare with any other. You were far, but when I could have been your star, listen to cada guerra Cada herida, cada sed conoce bien cada guerra de la vida y del amor también. Me dibuja un paisaje y me lo hace vivir, y en un bosque de lápiz se apodera de mí. La quiero a morir. Me atrapa en un lazo que no aprieta jamás, como un hilo de seda que no puedo soltar. No quiero soltar, no quiero soltar, la quiero a morir. A l'escena amaga la tristesa tot, i que els ulls siguin plens de dolor. Pots provar de tornar a somriure, de què serveix malviure? Veuràs la vida amb molta llum si tu somrius.